What's up, guys? Welcome back to the next video on learning Laravel. My name is Daniel, and you guys watching my channel Coriowood. Alright, so in the previous video we have seen else if. In here we have assigned the user ID 100, and here we have checked and we got the message of user is Yazdani. What happens, for example, if you have instead of the user ID, what happens if you have products, for example? Say we can put a product. How many products do you have? For example, if you have one product, now we're gonna assign, say for example you have one product. So now we have a variable of one product. Now we can put one product here. So if the product is one, we have one product. So we're gonna say we have only one product. We have for example one item. So then what are you going to do? Because now if you have more than, say for example, if your items 5, what are you going to do? Then we can't do if and else, because the first instance we said that in the previous video we said that if the user ID is 1, for example, is Yazdani, else is not Yazdani. Alright, so that's if else. By all means, that's good. What happens if the product, because products we have more than 1 or 2 or 3. So for example we have one item, then if you can echo one item, then what are you going to do the rest? We can do at else if. And what's the else if? For example, the product, and the product is for example 2, and we're going to say we have for example 2 items, or you can put it this way. We can copy this, and for example here we gotta paste it one more time, and if you have say 3, then we're gonna say we have 3 items. So we're gonna come and we have else we have no items. That's what we're gonna show. So we're gonna save all, and we're gonna go and check, and it says that we have 1 items. Alright, so now we're gonna go and change. Say for example we're gonna make it 3, or we're gonna make it 2 products. So now we have 2 items. We're gonna put it for example 3. Then we have 3 products now, and we have 3 items. How about if you put it, say for example not matching any number there? So we put a 0 and we have no items. How cool is this? That's the power of Laravel Blade engine. If you look in here, we can do all our if and else here inside the Blade engine, but no, we're not even using any single PHP here. We can use PHP by all means, don't get me wrong, but here we are using the, say for example this is echo, but we're not putting any echo. This is echo, or this is h1 h2. Normally inside the HTML we have to put a p, and we have to put a p tag. So we have to put this item inside the p tag, but we are because we are inside the Blade, we don't need anything of this. So you guys get used to this. As we progress, then you guys gonna be master inside the Blade with Laravel. So if you're gonna look here, if you have a product, for example, this is just one small example. You can create many examples. For example, items, or you can create trees, or you can create airplanes, you can create friends. How many friends do you have? You can create many items, or many products, or whatever that requires else if. Not just if and else. So, and keep in mind when you put a if, and you have to put a else, and you have to put a end if. Even if you guys have a use else if, but with the else if, you guys can use it more than one time. You guys can use it again here. For example, here if your product's 4, then we have 4 items. But every time, even if you put 100 else if, you need an else at the end. Make sure. So that's the structure of if else. You can put as many else if as you want. You can put a 500 else if, but at the end you need one else too, and your one else should determine at the end. So we what we put at the end to close everything, so we have no items. That's what we else works for example, else if, just in case if you have another statement, if statement, just in case if you have another one, just in case if you have another one. But here it means that I'm going to conclude, I'm going to finish it off. So when you finish it off, it means you either there is some problem, or you have no item. That's how we're going to conclude this one with the else if. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you guys have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.